In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text links in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. Whether you're new to website design or a seasoned expert, knowing how to make text clickable can enhance your site's functionality and user experience. So let's dive in and guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. This is your starting point for any design changes you want to make. Once you've logged in, you'll see your website dashboard. From this main menu, click on your website and then navigate to the Pages section. This is where you'll find all the accessible pages of your website that you can modify. Next, determine which page you want to edit. You'll do this by simply navigating through the list of pages until you find the one you'd like to work on. This step is straightforward but crucial, ensuring that you're working on the correct page where you want to add your text link. Now let's add a text block to the Fluid Engine layout on your page. To do this, drag a text block onto the desired section of your page. This is where you'll be able to input the text that you want to become a clickable link. Once the text block is in place, type in the words or phrase that you want to make clickable. After you've typed your text, highlight the specific section of text you want to turn into a link. This could be a word, a phrase, or even a full sentence, depending on your needs. Highlighting this text will enable the linking options in the next step. Look for the chain link icon at the top of the editor. This icon is your gateway to creating a hyperlink. Click on this icon to open the Link Options menu. A pop-up window will appear, displaying various link types you can choose from. You have numerous options here: external URL, site page, file, email, and phone. Each of these options offers a unique functionality. For instance, using an external URL can direct the user to a completely different site, while the site page option allows navigation within your Squarespace site. What you choose depends on your needs, so think about what makes the most sense for your audience. For those who want a few more options, click the gear icon in the link pop-up. Here you can decide if you want the link to open in a new tab, which is a great feature to keep users on your site longer. After setting all your preferences, be sure to click Apply or Save, solidifying the link to your desired text. Finally, publish your changes. By doing this, the clickable text link is live on your page. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating text links in Squarespace 7.1's Fluid Engine. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance user navigation on your site. Thanks for watching and happy designing.